Hey everybody, welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. Thanks for coming back. Thanks for watching these daily videos. Every day we put you in touch with the energy of the day and therefore the energy that's inside of you. And you get balanced with the day, you get balanced with yourself. If you enjoy these videos and you're able to, please feel free to make a contribution. That would be greatly appreciated. Thanks. So today is Friday. Today is the day of the Idealist personality. And in my blueprint, the Idealist governs the spiritual area. And it does for many other people as well. Some musicians especially, like Thelonious Monk, Sun Ra, Johnny Cash, Joni Mitchell, Beethoven. Even Ringo Starr from the Beatles is a Raja yogi, you could say, or an idealist spiritually. The idealist, of course, can govern any part of someone's blueprint. You can be an idealist in relationships, career, emotions, etc. But it is all about looking at things in the ideal, being positive, not being negative, not being critical, especially of yourself, but even of others. Just seeing things in the bright light, not the darkness. And I'm going to read from someone who was a Raja yogi or an idealist spiritually in his blueprint, the spiritual teacher Chogyam Trungpa. Actually, because he spoke a lot about being a warrior, many people thought that his spiritual path was the path of the warrior. But it's not. No. His real blueprint, he's an idealist spiritually, a Raja yogi. And I will play the vibrations of the day along with this. And by the time I'm finished in the next 5 minutes or so, we'll be all balanced for the rest of the day. Believe it or not. The bad news is, you're falling through the air. Nothing to hang on to. No parachute. You ever get that feeling? That's the bad news. The good news is, there's no ground. There's no ground. We must be willing to be completely ordinary people, which means accepting ourselves as we are, without trying to become greater, purer, more spiritual, or more insightful. If we can accept our imperfections as they are, quite ordinarily, then we can use them as part of the path. But if we try to get rid of our imperfections, then they will be enemies, obstacles on the road to our self-improvement. And there's an example right there of positive thinking. Real fearlessness is the product of tenderness. It comes from letting the world tickle your heart. Your raw and beautiful heart. You are willing to open up without resistance or shyness and face the world. You are willing to share your heart with others. We are always in transition. If you can just relax with that, you'll have no problem. Artistic vision comes from a mind clear enough to fall in love with what we see. Love is a big part of this path as well. Higher love, spiritual love, but that connection, that love that binds us all together, connects us, makes us not separate from each other. We cannot change the way the world is, but by opening ourselves to the world as it is, we may find that gentleness, decency, and bravery are all available, not only to us, but to all human beings. If kindness doesn't work, try more kindness. Try more kindness today.